Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican champurrado. These are the ingredients that you'll need, and as always you can find the exact measurements in the description box below. I'm going to start by adding my spices to 2 cups of water. Once our water has hit boiling point, I'm going to remove our spices and I'm going to be adding piloncillo. I've chopped up my piloncillo finely so that it can dissolve faster. If you can't find piloncillo in your local grocery store, you can substitute this with brown sugar. Once our piloncillo has dissolved, I'm going to be adding our Mexican hot chocolate bars. Once that has dissolved, I'm going to be adding in our milk, and I'm going to be stirring this until it's well combined. Next, I'm going to be adding our corn masa, and this is going to give us a thick consistency. So all you want to do is make sure you stir constantly, and once your champurrado has thickened, you're done. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time. Bye!